Many people around the globe are looking for websites that can pay daily. Getting grounded with online work-at-home jobs that pay daily, weekly or monthly can be a good passive income and a great side hustle. Sometimes one gets frustrated looking for good online jobs and new ways to earn extra money. However, the online work market is so vast, and there are several sources from which you can earn money by doing things you already do in your regular life through online means. You may have heard of freelance job sites for designers and developers, or websites where you can earn money as a freelancer. This website pays 24 hours a day with easy work-at-home jobs. However, some of these sites cater for a specific niche. You'll find a mix of different web-based stay-at-home jobs here. The list contains varieties of easy work-at-home jobs. Hopefully, you'll be able to find one or two that will interest you, especially if you're in need of additional work to fit into your spare time. You can work this online gig part-time or full-time depending on your needs. These websites offer the best flexible, easy work online job and can pay daily as long as you meet the payout minimum requirements. Here is a list of websites that offer paid opportunities to everyone for doing their usual things you do daily. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications for more videos on Make Money Online. Let's dive into the checklist to check out these websites. Here are websites that will pay you daily within 24 hours for easy work-at-home jobs. There are more than 50 job sites for freelancers and independent professionals who need them. You can find easy work-at-home jobs on websites like Fiverr. If you have a good skill that are sellable, you should go to Fiverr and look for an online job. If you are good at graphics, music, photo editing, video creation, logo design, and creative writing, sure enough, there are jobs for you. There are people looking to hook you up with some gigs on Fiverr. Snapwire. If you're good at taking fantastic photos with smartphone, you can sell them online. Snapwire caters to different requests from clients all over the globe. All you need is submit a proper picture to an appropriate website like Seafood and Children Play. People across the world are looking for new ways to earn extra money, and they sometimes go to extra length to do so. However, the online work market is so wide and vast. There are many sources from which you can earn money by doing things you already do in your regular life. You may have heard of freelance job sites for designers and developers, and sites where you can earn money with gigs. However, these sites cater to a specific niche. Being a freelancer can be advantageous and is probably a dream for many designers and developers. So go to these websites to register and become a freelancer. Here is the list of websites that offer paid opportunities to everyone for doing their usual daily work. Whether you are good at graphics, music, video editing, designing logo, and creative writing, sure enough, there are people looking to hook freelancers up with some gigs over at Fiverr. Snapwire. If you can take fantastic photos with smartphone, you can sell them on the Snapwire website. Udemy courses are an excellent way to make money. Share your knowledge and expertise on Udemy website and get paid by creating online courses. There is job demand in Udemy site. An average instructor earns $8,000. There are 12 million students and only 20,000 passionate instructors. User texting. After registering and completing a text video, You will get tags in your email inbox each time a new website requires user testing. You'll be paid around $10 to $15 for each website you evaluate. Testing takes about 20 minutes. FWAP. FWAP is yet another simple platform to sell your mobile photos. Some of its clients include the world's largest brands like MasterCard, Hyatt, Volvo Group, and Absolut Vodka. However, you have a decent collection of high-quality photos. Chances are your photo might get purchased by them. Pictures cost around $10 on the app, but you get $5 from each image you sell. IEM is a photographer's website, and joining IEM gets you connected with their network of 25 million other photographers worldwide on their platform. Share and distribute your photos, and you might end up getting booked for shooting gigs. Cash crates. Cash crates pay you to do random things through them. You can watch videos, take part in contests, try out new products, or play games. And the best part is you are getting paid for doing this. 8 sites to make money for video creators. Some sites pay you for the things you do daily. However, if only you have a talent, MarketForce is a place for you. MarketForce is a mystery shopping service provider. Technically, they hire interested personnel like you to sign up with them and hook you up with field trip where you get to eat and shop and do reviews. Did I also mention that you will get paid for doing that? It's a very good online business that you can do. Try My UI. Try My UI, as its company's name suggests, wants you to try out websites, users interface, and apps. And at the end of it, you will need to provide your honest and unbiased feedback. You get paid $10 per test, and each test usually will not take longer than 10 minutes. Funds for writers. These folks pays you to write, and they pay you well. For each 500 to 600 words article accepted, you'll be paid $60. You'll also be paid $15 extra if the article gets printed. Are you good at content writing? Please check out their website, as they have a comprehensive guide on how to start. People per hour. When you sign up with People per hour as a freelancer, you get to set your man-hour rate. You also get to access their pool of freelance jobs available. Create a decent and complete profile page stating and showcasing your professional gifts. Jobs find their way to you. We Work Remotely. We Work Remotely claims itself to be the largest platform for finding and listing remote jobs, with over 500 new job postings and more than 230,000 unique monthly visitors. There is an array of categories to find a job from, and if you want to be notified about new job ops, subscribe to their listing information. Handy. Do you want to earn some extra cash by doing something you already do at your home? That is household work. Then take help from Handy. However, the websites offer different handwork jobs like cleaning, repairing, delivering, etc. The best thing about Handy is that you can build a schedule of your availability, showing when you want to work and how much you charge per work. As for remuneration, you can get $22 hour job as a cleaner and the $45 hour job as a handyman. Then you can equally get $62 hour job as a lawn care pro. For now, the platform works in Canada. the US, and the UK. Uber has gained so much popularity throughout the world for being a convenient mode of transportation for users. However, what's more interesting is that if you have a car and some spare time, then you can be an Uber driver and earn some sweet cash. Just sign up as a driver at their website in a few simple steps. Decide how many hours you want to work. You can make so much money as you want. Second to none, yet another mystery shopping service. Second to none is backed by more than 30 years of experience in improving customers' experience for different clients. You can be one of their mystery shoppers through street secret shoppers that are given assignments across North America to access the shopping experience and earn good money from that. Interestingly, the platform gives you a full choice to accept or decline assignments if they don't suit you. Another site is Clarity. If you have a unique skill set or expertise in a particular field, then use it to earn money. Clarity is a website that provides useful tips and consultation to startups through industry's experts, and you can be one of them. You can apply and drop their pool of experts from different fields and get paid for consulting enterprise. ShareSkill is a great platform where thousands of users come to learn or brush up on different skills like drawing, animation, entrepreneurship, programming, writing, gaming, or even learning a new language. So if you are good at one of these skills and you like to teach it to others, then you can earn money online and become a tutor on their website. TopTal is a place where you can find only the best and most highly experienced freelancer software developers. So if you have a top skill in software designing and development, you can join TopTal to get high quality clients and well-paying projects. However, through TopTal, you not only gain quality projects, but you also get to connect with clients, a top-tier professional network of fellow freelancers, and resources that you can leverage to accelerate your career. IntelliShop. If you are into getting paid by reviewing things, then take a look at IntelliShop. It's a great platform that helps businesses improve their sales and service experiences by hiring and paying mystery shoppers for customers' entry evaluation. This way, you can enjoy shopping and as well earn more money. 99design. 99design is one of the most famous marketplaces for talented design communities. 99design is a wonderful source for freelancers to find projects. Hundreds of clients post several design jobs on this website every day, to which you bid and get hired. The competition is really high on this platform, which means that you have to maintain a good profile to keep the work running smoothly. Enroll a website that pays you to test different digital products, be it a website, apps, software, or any other resources. All you have to do is sign up with them, get notified by email when there is a job, accept the job, and do the testing from anywhere around the globe. Once you're done, you can get paid for your services. Another website is CrowdSpring. What makes CrowdSpring different is that instead of outbidding and competing with someone with a larger portfolio, how you approach a project and your level of creativity is what gets you that project. Hence, job productivity and creativity go hand in hand in the job list section of this site. This exclusive site is known to convert imagination into recreative service, services and products to promote unique ideas. Another site that can offer you easy work at home job is On-Site. On-Site is a place where designers, developers and copywriters can find many opportunities for freelance job. Applicants are carefully curated. Once accepted, freelancers can show off their portfolios, set the price rate and manage their availability. Another site that can give you what you want as a job seeker is Authentic Job. Creative and web professionals can seek reputable full-time and freelance opportunity here and get associated with well-known names in the major industries like Sony, BMG, HBO, HP, Facebook, and many more. Simply is another website where you can get easy work at home job. This online job portal allows you to find all kinds of jobs, whether freelance or full-time, based on your location, skills and experience in your field. Working Nomads is another easy work at home jobs that you can give a try to get gigs. Nomads are freelancers who travel from city to city, country to country, and still work their job as they travel. They find remote jobs on sites like this. Job categories include design, development, and event management. Solid Gigs. Solid Gigs is another website where you can get easy work at home jobs. Solid Gigs takes the hassle out of the project searching for freelancer. Out of thousands of job hubs, it filters out the ones that go best with your portfolio and your profile. You get a weekly gig list with only the very best of all the jobs available, so you can focus on your productivity instead of looking for quality works. However, what I like most about Solid Gig is that you can have access to an enormous resource library with courses, interview, templates, scripts and other tools to help you land more freelance projects, which helps negotiate your rates, pitch quality clients and grow your freelance business. Another quality website where you can get easy work at home job is Art Wanted. If you want your artistic skill to be noticed and paid for, then try out Art Skill. You can put up your graphic and illustrated masterpiece on the website where people can browse and buy them, and you can connect with potential clients. If you're interested in discovering more about making money online, then be sure to check out the link below. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on helping you to make money online and more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of Make Money Online, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.